Masquerade Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. That's my Zimbabwe. Tawigirai, Nyaburitwa, ZANU-PF, Secretary for Information and Publicity, Christopher Mutsvangwa Amabuda, Vachirivila, Vachiti, the party's youth structures, Vaka launcher. The ED 2030 campaign mshule mkunge pakabuda a plot kuti YaMnangagwa baada kufoswa kuti vanime his successor before term yawo yapera na 2028 Mutsvangwa wakabuda vachitaura the standard in an interview vachitaura ivo vachiti pane attempts akaitwa kuti constitution yeparty ichinjwe YaMnangagwa vanenge vachinema the successor before the right time. Vakataura ivo vachiti this plot yakarongwa naSilvia Kasukwere naUta Mzembe. Asikwera kwatiri kuita vaKasukwere naUta Mzembe vakabuda vachizvidistance from succession wars ari mubato reZANU-PF. Mutsvangwa wakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the ZANU-PF youth yakatora distance mushure mekunge vaagitatwa ne unconstitutional maneuvers ngakuitika mubato reZANU-PF. Wakabuda vachitaura vachiti the youth are just agitated. They are defending their leader. Some people are trying to foist themselves upon the president. There are some outside attempts to push back the calendar of succession, so it is an apparent attack on the president's authority. So they are now rallying behind the president, but the agenda is coming from outside the party, and the youth are aware that they can't keep quiet when some people are attempting to subvert the constitution. So they are defending both the party and its leader. Now, Christopher Mutsvangwa vakaendera mberi vachiti there were plots to impose a new leader before the expiry of Mnangagwa's term. Wakabuda vachiti some people want to force the president to anoint his successor. There is a party constitution and clear processes, but the youth are questioning why the rush when we are still far from 2028. Why is there an attempt to push back 2028 to 2024? So the youth want to protect the integrity of the party processes. Mutsvangwa vangabuda earlier this week vachitaura ivo, earlier last week vachitaura ivo vachinongedzera vaJulius Malema nekubuda kwavakataura pamusoro pesuccession yaPresident Mnangagwa. Vakabuda vaJulius Malema during a public lecture vachitaura ivo vachiti Vice President ConstantinoChiwenga uyo arikunzi is the successor of President Mnangagwa, since he is now one of the weakest people munyika yeZimbabwe, since he was weakened reZimbabwe. Vakabuda vachitaura Christopher Mutsvangwa vachiti when the Malemas start talking of succession and they are not members of the party and they are not Zimbabweans, it creates anxiety for these youths and they develop a defensive attitude and they go as far for strong leadership. That's why they are saying President hang on to power, because we want to safeguard the wins which you are scoring right now. You are scoring wins, we are seeing more coming. It is a democratic wish on the part of the youth, Mutsvangwa said, and they are free to express their wishes just like the Women's League war veterans. You cannot say they must stop from expressing their intentions, but at the same time pushing back those who want to become dictators of who should be the ruler of Zimbabwe and who should not. So they are appealing to the party leadership to close remarks so that none is found vulnerable to these direct calls from outside party. Kumira Mushe, the political landscape yemubato reZimbabwe iri kuita up mureZimbabwe. Kwatiri President Mnangagwa vari kutaura kuti vaabandona the controversial ED 2030 campaign. The country's ruling party ZANU-PF NaMutsvangwa Mushe pane mapower struggles aripo over the succession ndezviri kunzi mushure mekunge after coup yakaitika 2017 NaMutsvangwa Mushe maloyalist President Mnangagwa ari kupusha for his rule until 2030 asi kushara kwatiri kuita the public irubuda chitaura yachiti President Mnangagwa will never run for the third term. Another faction kutaura iyo ichiti they want Vice President Constantine Chiwenga kuti succeed the President Mnangagwa. The other faction kutaura iyo ichiti no, panofana kuitwa Congress panoselectwa the leader was ZANU-PF and one day achazo contest my elections at 2028. Mnangagwa wakabuda vachitaurawo publicly about this issue. Vachitaura vachiti besides a soldier, I'm a trained lawyer, I'm a constitutionalist, and I want our party, our leadership, our people to be constitutionalists. We must abide by the provisions of our constitution to the letter. Kana nguva yekuti uende yakwana, and if your time to go comes, leave. Tuzakabuda Zvataurwa na President Emmerson Mnangagwa. And this statement, this announcement, yakauya is a surprise to many people, but within ZANU-PF, our pusher for the Mnangagwa 2030 campaign. Last month, President Emmerson Mnangagwa wakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti vachasiya kana vapedza his second term. Vachitaura vachiti, I did my first 5 years, so I'm saving my last 5 years, which I will complete soon, and I will go to rest. We will go to Congress and look for someone who will succeed me. My days to rest are close. We will go to Congress and choose the one who will follow my footsteps. President Emmerson Mnangagwa Zimbabwe tikaziva kuti mnaiona sei nyaya iyi zinomira mushe. Vice President Constantine Chiwenga kufunga vakabuda recently vachicriticize the ED 2030 campaign mune Zimbabwe, vachibuda vachitaura ivo vachiti you will not allow factionalism within ZANU-PF. Chinhu zvakare, you will not allow personal cults nemapower pursuits ari kuitwa bato ZANU-PF. Vakabuda Constantine Chiwenga vachitaura vachiti there is no room for factionalism at any level in the party. Our loyalty is not to individuals but to the bigger agenda, that of the party and the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme. Vakabuda vachitaura Constantine Chiwenga mushure mekunge the ED 2030 campaign inga yakuintensify. Mnangagwa na vachiwenga varunzi they are engaging in a fierce power struggle over nyaya leadership and succession issues mune Zimbabwe. Hazvina kumira mushe. Hapasi kuzikanwa kuti is Constantine Chiwenga going to succeed Mnangagwa kana kuti chii chichaitika. Tingazoona sei nyaya itudzo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Zvataurwa NaMutsvangwa kunze there are people vaida kutamba neconstitution kuti Mnangagwa awanikwa achichuza the right leader, his preferred leader, his preferred successor other than kuenda ku Congress according to the ZANU-PF's constitution. Tudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.